In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a premium auto dealership website with Claude 3.7 Sonnet. We'll keep it simple. Open Claude, write a clear, complete prompt that captures everything you want, and let it generate ready-to-use code and copy for a high-end dealership site. First, open Claude 3.7 Sonnet and start a fresh chat. Sonnet is great for this task because it combines strong reasoning with polished output. Have your brand details, nearby location, audience, services, and the overall tone you want so your prompt stays consistent and focused. Next, write one comprehensive prompt. Be specific about your target customers, services, and unique selling points. List the pages you need, the design style, and the deliverables you expect, like responsive HTML, CSS, and optional JavaScript. Mention performance, mobile friendliness, and SEO requirements, and ask Claude to label sections clearly so the output is easy to navigate. Here's a sample prompt you can paste and adapt to your dealership name and details. Build a premium luxury auto dealership website for Apex Elite Motors based in Cebu City, Philippines. Target customers: high-income individuals, enthusiasts, and executives seeking premium vehicles. Services: new and pre-owned luxury car sales, financing, trade-ins, test drive bookings, concierge services. Unique selling points: exclusive vehicle collection, premium customer experience, personalized service, high-end branding. Produce a sleek, modern, high-converting website structure with pages: home, inventory, about, services, financing, contact. Include persuasive, SEO-optimized copy tailored for luxury branding. Provide clean, responsive HTML, CSS, and optional JavaScript with premium design elements, smooth animations, car showcase galleries, strong CTAs for inquiries and bookings. Use a sophisticated color palette, typography, and branding style that signal luxury and trust. Add a basic local SEO plan, keywords, meta descriptions, headings. Ensure mobile-friendly, fast loading, optimized for conversions. Optionally include vehicle listing system, inquiry forms, test drive booking flow, and Google Maps integration. Label everything clearly and present the output ready to use. After you submit the prompt, Claude will produce a structured site plan, high-end marketing copy, and clean, responsive code aligned with your brand. If anything needs refinement, iterate by clarifying what to change: colors, typography, animation speed, or CTAs, and ask Claude to revise only those parts. Keep instructions in a single message for consistency and preserve elements you like when requesting edits. That's the entire workflow. Open Claude, craft a precise prompt, and let the model deliver a premium auto dealership website that's fast, mobile-friendly, and built to convert.